Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jeff, this is Will to Live Outdoors, and a few weeks ago I had the Raptor in for service and they notified me of a bit of basic maintenance that needed to be performed, or it was time to have performed. And the cabin air filter, or the pollen filter, needed to be changed. So real quick, just blind, we're going to change this out, and I want to show you just how easy it is to do some of your basic maintenance. And if that's not spicy enough for you, as soon as some of these clips come through, we're going to take this fender off and change out these broken clips on this gargantuan fender that I rubbed on a tree a few weeks ago. I want to make sure that you come back and check that out, because that will be my first time to remove the fenders, and I'm sure some of you are going to be doing that as well. So I just want to show how easy it is and what clips you're going to need in order to do that. So anyway, real quick, let's get this out, get the stuff out of the glove box, and we'll change this out real quick. The first thing we're going to do is remove this little arm from here, and then remove these, and then that's going to drop down, and that's going to reveal the cover right here for the pollen air filter. Okay, all right, so basically right here on the corner, and just swing that out of the way. Ooh, and there we go. One very dirty pollen filter. Careful that you keep your orientation the same. Usually is a, yeah, see the airflow arrow. Get that poked back up in there. Woo! Dirty. All right, so. All right, now after getting it buttoned back up, we're just gonna raise this back up, keep it in frame here. We're just going to take that, lock it in place. All right, as you can see, that literally took about 1.5 minutes. I did that blind. I didn't even research. So if you're going to use this as a tutorial on it, that's how easy it was. For those wondering, that is an FP93 Motorcraft. You could probably pick that up aftermarket wise at a parts store. Anyhow, that's how easy it was, and thank you for watching my bit of maintenance here on the Bronco Raptor. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button, and you can watch me hit the struggle bus when I go to fixing that fender. So I will never tell exactly what happened. It was a pretty wild ride, but at the end of the day, no harm, no foul, just some very expensive little clips, but we'll go over that when we go to do that install. Thank you so much. You guys have a great day.